Friends, to understand about electric circuits, first of all we should understand about electric components. So, symbols of some components in circuit diagrams, we are going to represent it here. An electric cell, actually electric cell is a device or a battery is a device which actually provides potential difference. So here the big terminal is positive and the small terminal is considered as negative. This is one electric cell. A battery is a combination of cells. So let us say if you are combining three cells, it constitutes a battery. These are combination of three cells. Now a plug key or a switch, open condition, can be represented like this. Closed condition can be represented like this. Open word represents off condition of a circuit and closed word represents on condition of a circuit. So whenever a circuit is on, there will be a dot in this key known as plug key or a switch, closed condition. This is a wire joint. A wire joint. Let me show you how a wire joint is represented. Let us say this is how a wire is connected in a circuit diagram. This is a wire joint. That means if a current is passing through this wire, it will be distributed through this wire because this is a joint. Now I am talking about a wire crossing without a joint. Then let us say this is one wire and this is another wire. Let us say current through this wire is I1 and current through this wire is I2. That directly represents that current will flow directly, it will not go in second wire. This is a wire crossing without joining. They are not joining at this point. In the first diagram it is joining. So it is a joint. Next circuit diagram symbol is electric bulb. Electric bulb symbol can be represented like this, or it can also be represented like this. This is the symbol of electric bulb. These are the two ends of electric bulb. Now a resistor of resistance R, let us say a zigzag diagram is a resistor having the value of its resistance R. So this is the diagram of a resistor. Now we are going to start for a diagram for variable resistor or a rheostat. These both are having same nature. Let me show you a diagram of same nature but symbolically can be represented it in a different manner. As you can see, in rheostat there are 3 terminals and in variable there are 2 terminals, but both has the nature to vary the resistance. If you apply terminals between A and B, let us assume the resistance of rheostat is 100 ohm or let us say 1000 ohm. If you apply the terminals A and B in the circuit of this rheostat, then it will apply total 1000 ohm resistance. But if you apply one end here and the other end at C point, then the value may change as This end is a variable end. So I have drawn one circuit for you in which there are several components, but before I would like to tell you that here this is the diagram, or let us say a component or symbol of a component to represent ammeter, which is measuring electric current. I would like to also represent voltmeter, which is measuring the potential difference between the two ends of any conductor or resistor. So I have shown here one simple closed path for an electric current that is considered as an electric circuit. So this is a battery where two cells are connected. This is positive terminal and this is negative terminal. This is a key. Right now it is in open condition, so no current is passing through the circuit. This is electric bulb. This is resistor R having some resistance. Ammeter is connected in series. Series means whenever you will switch on the circuit, this is now closed condition. Whenever you will switch on the circuit, current I will pass through the bulb. If this path is closed or complete, it will glow the electric bulb. Again the same current is going to pass through resistor. This terminal is positive because it is connected, and so the current flows through the circuit. Ammeter measures it. But if I want to measure the voltage or potential difference, I have to connect the voltmeter in parallel to that of any conductor or a resistor. So voltmeter is always connected in parallel. This is parallel connection. We will study it later also, but this is parallel connection, and ammeter is connected in series. So friends, this was a simple information about some of the symbols of some components which are used commonly in our circuit diagrams. Thank you.